out with a duet for us. So come on up, boys. So LJ and River Blue go to the same school. They're in the same grade at the same school, and they were both working on this piece, actually, Night Train, that you're going to hear. They both kind of had a solo version of it learned on their own, and they both really liked it, and they said, we really want to play it for the recital. And I was like, oh, we can't have two kids play the same piece. That would be really boring. And I certainly didn't want to take it away from either one of them. So what we did is we turned it into a duet, which is going to involve, River Blue is going to be playing the chord changes of it. Blues tends to go in a 12-bar, kind of similar chord change that can be used in a variety of keys throughout a bunch of different blues songs. And so River Blue has kind of taken and learned, the real kind of nitty-gritty of that really important blues element. So he's going to be playing that. And then LJ has given us a little bit of melody, and you're going to hear a little bit of improvisation solo from LJ as well. So here are the LJ Blues Machine.